at the Palace of Versailles. It is currently 8:24 a.m. Our ticket is at 9 a.m., but we got here a little early. Today is my birthday, July 11th.
Happy birthday! You guys can't tell how big this place actually is in the videos. Y'all just have to be here. Says it's a castle.
It is a castle. Come on, they're lining up. Come on. Y'all, it's 8:53 and look at the line for the 9 o'clock. Alright guys, we're in the palace. This is the St. Louis Expedition Room. You can see the garden from here. And we ended up buying these audio guides, but you don't need them. It's on the app as well. Just make sure you bring your headphones for your phone.
If you are coming and you don't want to use your phone and save your battery life,
then
get the one of these. You could share it.
Yeah, you only need to buy one.
Yeah, they got two headphone jacks.
But we bought two because we don't know no better.
American Louis.
Look at the gold over there on the doors. I like the gold stuff.
This is the Royal Chapel.
Oh, look at that. Look at the ceiling.
I wish they would have had the numbers up higher, because when the crowd comes and you have an audio guide, you can't see the numbers. So I wish they would have brought it up higher.
You should tell them that. You should tell them they need to limit how many people can be in here.
Chaufrons are horse helmet. Protects the horses. All right, guys, we are in the Hall of Mirrors in the Palace of Versailles. They got that looks like a necklace. That looks cool. You want one in the house, baby? She said no. Damn, look at that.
Alright guys, we just got these fruit drinks. So raspberry and apple.
€6 a piece, and we got it.
Yeah, we can't drink it or eat inside the museum.
That is good. Too tart, good. Bad, good. And now we're about to head out to the gardens.
Alright guys, we just walked into the garden section.
And it's big. It still goes down over there. It's crazy. Huge.
Massive. I didn't realize how big and how much stuff it was to do.
And this is your birthday and you're not feeling that well either.
I think it's allergies or because I'm not getting a lot of sleep. Oh, it's a lot of dust everywhere around here though. That could be irritating.
That's crazy.
Like, all over Paris, it seems like it's a lot of dust.
So that usually irritates me.
Alright guys, we're in the golf cart.
We rented it because we didn't want to walk.
So it's 40-something euros for an hour, and then every 25 additional minutes after that hour, it's another 50 euros. But let me show you what we're looking at. This is the line for the train we're gonna get on to get to the other museums. It do feel good to sit down though. Walk into the Theater Grove.
How you feeling?
Hi.
Now after this, we'll just spend time in the golf cart, drive slow around, so you have a view, take a lot of pictures, talk about anything. And we are at the Versailles de la Reina.
Peaceful.
Mm-hmm.
Serene.
It's like we're lost.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you got the oil on the camera? Hey y'all, let's see how fast the golf cart can go.
It don't seem like it's going that fast.
Nah. Fast enough though. You guys can also get round trip tickets to a mini train or also rent a golf cart over at this track here.
It probably would have been nice to do a tour guide, and I was gonna do that originally, but I had read online that said you don't need no tour guide, just get the audio book and go do the stuff and blah blah blah. And I was like, okay, because we were gonna do the tour where they pick us up on the Eiffel Tower and they take us here and whatever. I think the tour would have been beneficial, but this place is just so
It's huge.
huge. And if we were on a tour, we wouldn't have like got the golf cart and probably wouldn't have took this train. I don't know. I don't think the tour was gonna take you to the other museums. I think it was just for the palace and the garden.
Yeah,
the one
I
was
believe
looking
so.
at.
But I feel like with the tour guides, they usually take you to see the spots,
Oh.
spots that you just want to see or
Yeah,
picturesque spots.
they know the best stuff because they're
Yeah.
tour guides.
Yeah. You have a good birthday so far?
Yeah, so far. Being petty.
So guys, this train takes you to the Grand Canal, Grand Trinidad, Petit Trinidad, and Terminus Chateau. And it's about €9.
Alright guys, we got here at 9. It's now 4:25 and we're leaving. We didn't get anything to eat. We just got some drinks. We got another drink when we were down there. We got a lemonade and a water. I haven't really been that hungry.
I'm hungry.
But we're about to get something quick now. And we have a dinner cruise
Later.
at 9:15.
We out, guys, in the palace of Versailles. We tired. Look, we got here early. Make sure y'all have a rest day because we've been nonstop. It was fun though. We don't normally do stuff like that. What would you rate this place?
7.
7? I give it an 8. We're in Versailles.